guys, this is my Berlinwood fingerboard. If it will just go into focus, that would be marvellous. It's awesome. I love it a bit. Only had it a short time, about 3 weeks. I still can't do an ollie. I'm trying so hard. So leave it in the comments. What am I doing wrong? Okay, I just cannot. I'm not popping the board enough, clearly. That's kind of as much as I can do kind of so far, but I think the twiddly bit was a shove it, I think. So I've been kind of working on those sort of tricks, which I can do. But yeah, any pointers on how to do an ollie would be great, because I can't do any other sort of tricks until I've mastered that. But I tell you what, this Berlinwood fingerboard is absolutely awesome. Flat face, it's a stunning board. I did an unboxing, so if you haven't seen that, I will leave a link in this description to that video. So go and check that out. This is just a short video just to let you know of my progression, but it isn't great, to be fair, but you know, I'm trying my best to get it done and get it sorted, and I'm sort of getting there, but very slowly. So any help on how to do an ollie would be much, much appreciated. If you're new, please do think about subscribing. That would be awesome. And please give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you so much, guys. There will be a video coming up very soon about my camper van. I'm going to have it resprayed. I've got Type 25. And I'm going to do a little bit of a tour of the inside of the camper van and show you what it looks like at the moment. And then hopefully what it looks like after it's been resprayed. So cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.